Hi everyone, this is just going to be a really quick video. I was teaching a course on bookbinding and I bought a lot of chipboard, way too much. So I have a lot of it left over, and I've been watching a lot of people working in glue books and watching the chat, people saying, well, I don't have that kind of paper, I don't have this, I don't have that. Well, you know what? For a glue book, you can use anything. You can take a bunch of magazine pages, fold them together, put them into a little book form. You know, if the pages are kind of sturdy, they will work fine. Just put them all together and sew them together in the middle, poke holes in it for ring binders, however you want to do it. With the glue books, they tend to get a little thick sometimes, so I like to make mine with the ring binders, and that's what I'm going to do with this one. But I decided, since I had all of this left over, actually I had put this one together too, and you know, it's just a big piece of 12 by 12 cardstock. I sewed it together with a ribbon and it came untied. And just wrote in white, glue it on it, so I know this is a little extra glue book I have. And these are magazine pages in here. So I was just doodling and playing around in this last night while I was watching, okay, my mind just went blank. Oh, Lizzie Brewer. I was watching Lizzie Brewer. And, yes, Lizzie, I lurk a lot. But I just, you know, was gluing down stuff in here. No rhyme or reason, just something to do. But if you have cereal boxes, if you get mail that comes in boxes, cut them out. You don't have to have chipboard. Just cut those boxes up. Don't ever throw them away. Cut them up. Then cut a bunch of pages the same size, put a hole in it, and use what you have to bind it together. If you know, you can get to the Dollar Tree, they sell a pack of the ring binders for $1. But I like using the chipboard for my big ones because they're pretty thick, and I have made them with cereal boxes in the past. I have made them with games, the boxes that games come in. Just look around and see what you have that's a little thicker, and make you a glue book and decorate your pages any way you want, because these are going to hold up better for heavy projects because the glue is not going to seep through to the next side. Now for books like this, I will only use a glue stick, because if I did put like a heavy glue, it would probably warp the page and wrinkle up. But you know, use what you have. You don't have to have the best of everything to be creative and have fun and relax, because glue booking to me is very relaxing. Almost as relaxing as dot painting. Almost. Not quite there yet. But use what you have, guys. You know, everybody's got all these cards that they're making ATCs out of, and pockets and tags and so forth. What are you doing with that box? After you use that, what are you doing with that box? You know, don't chunk it. Just, you could cut these out. They got 1-2 pages right here, and make you a mini glue book, you know, to take on a trip with you. So, yeah, do with what you have and be happy with it, because it's yours. You're the one that's going to see it. You're not ever going to sell a glue book. You're not ever going to pass it off to a friend or anything. It's your relaxation time. So anything you find you have, if you don't want to tear your pages out of a magazine, you can take them, just Better Homes and Garden magazine. Sales paper that has a lot of pages in it. Anything that comes in your mailbox, you can turn it into a craft. Anything. If you get a sales paper from, say, Winn-Dixie, just, you know, they open up, they're pretty big, tear it, cut it, however you want to do it, make your pages. You can staple that together, If you don't have a stapler, you can sew it with a pen with a needle and thread. And there's always a way around. If you have a glue stick and you don't have a needle and thread, take something like a toothpick or your fingernail and put a thin line of glue right here. Put this in there and hold it like this for about 5 to 10 seconds. Long enough to give it time to catch. And then you can close your book and the glue won't seep out on the 2 side pages. But there's 1,000,001 ways to make a glue book. So this is my public service announcement on glue books for the day. I hope you guys will try it. I'm going to do maybe start with a fall theme on mine. I will probably do most of them on videos. Might do some on lives. I'm just now starting to get feeling a little better. So I'm going to try to get back in the swing of things and, you know, be a human being again. Hopefully. Alright guys, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.